Leverage AI Builder and Power Automate to automate form processing that supports documents with multiple layouts within the same model. We are going to train an AI Builder model to recognize the text that we want from the invoices. Then we're going to use Power Automate to place that data into an Excel file that we use. For this demo, let's review the Excel file we're going to fill. We need 3 fields: the invoice number, the invoice date, and the total amount. Let's define those here. Note that we can define fields or tables. With this new release, we can now group documents into collections, where each document has the same layout. After naming 2 collections, the next step is to upload a minimum of 5 sample documents to train our model how to recognize the fields that we want it to extract. Note that we can upload from a local device, a SharePoint site, or Azure Blob storage. Now, AI Builder is reviewing the sample documents we've uploaded, and it is going to learn about the structure of these documents. It will recognize both fields and tables. With the analysis complete, we are ready for the next key step. We navigate to our collections to review the uploaded documents. We now get to teach the model where to find these 3 fields. The invoice number, the invoice date, and the total amount is here. By moving to the next document, we see that AI Builder has already analyzed the documents, automatically tagging fields in the other documents. All we need to do is verify that AI Builder tagged them correctly. If we have any incorrect or missing tags, we could easily edit them here. Selecting Next takes us to the model summary, where we can review the details before training our model. With training complete, we run a quick test using a document we did not use for training purposes. AI Builder has extracted all the fields we taught the model to extract. Selecting Publish, it is ready for use in our flows in Power Automate or in our apps in Power Apps. Note that for every invoice that lands in this SharePoint folder, we need to fill in the data on the Excel file. To automate this process, we create a flow that triggers when an invoice is added to this SharePoint folder. Here in Power Automate, we've started a flow that will trigger when a file is created in a SharePoint folder and provided the file location. Let's begin by adding an action, navigating to the AI Builder connector, and selecting Process and Save Information from Forms. Then specify we want to use our new invoices model. Next, SharePoint provides dynamic content for form type, and we select our file content type. Lastly, we map the invoice number, invoice date value, and total amount value to go from the AI Builder model into the Excel file. Saving the flow, we run a quick test by placing 2 files in the SharePoint folder. This side-by-side confirms how quick and easy it is to automatically process forms with multiple layouts within the same model. Thank you for reviewing the new AI Builder form processing update. Visit these links for more information.